Understanding the ventilation hood, a guide to cleaner air in the kitchen. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very useful but often overlooked appliance in our homes, the ventilation hood. You might not think about it often, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your kitchen air clean and fresh. Let's dive in and learn all about the ventilation hood. A ventilation hood, also known as an exhaust hood or range hood, is an appliance located above your stove or cooktop. Its primary function is to suck up smoke, steam, and cooking odors and expel them outside of your home. This not only keeps the air in your kitchen clean but also helps in reducing grease and moisture buildup on your kitchen surfaces. There are several types of ventilation hoods, and choosing the right one depends on your kitchen layout and personal preference. 1. Under cabinet hoods. These are installed under the kitchen cabinet and directly above the stove. 2. Wall-mounted hoods. These are fixed to the wall if there are no cabinets above the stove. 3. Island hoods, perfect for stoves installed in a kitchen island. These hoods hang from the ceiling. 4. Downdraft hoods. These are less common and are installed beside the stove, pulling the air downwards. Having a ventilation hood in your kitchen is not just about keeping the air clean. It's about 1. Health. By removing smoke and steam, it ensures you're not breathing in potentially harmful substances. 2. Comfort. It prevents the kitchen from becoming smoky and uncomfortable. 3. Cleanliness. It reduces grease and moisture, which can lead to mold and mildew. 4. Odor removal. It helps in keeping your home free from lingering food odors. A ventilation hood might be a silent hero in your kitchen, but its benefits are loud and clear. From maintaining your health to keeping your home fresh and clean, it's an essential part of any modern kitchen. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and functionality of the ventilation hood. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.